Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 5th week, 1 month and 1 week na akong carnivore. So I've been consistent with my routine of making my own steaks almost every day. Steaks and burgers ang niluluto ko araw-araw para baunin sa office, sa trabaho, so that I have something to eat throughout the day. Today, this episode is going to be about something a little bit different kasi lately I've been experimenting on how to variate my meats na niluluto. Almost every day kasi steak lang ang kinakain ko. It's either sirloin or rib eye. But in the last week I decided to try making my own bacon. Nag-cure ako ng bacon using the dry method at saka wet method. I did that last week para 1 week exactly yung curing time. Nung nagre-research ako, I was surprised kasi it was very simple lang pala to make bacon. All you need to do is measure the sugar and salt ratio compared dun sa timbang ng bacon meat or the bacon belly, the pork belly na gagamitin mo. May konting mathematics na kailangan gawin kasi you have to be very accurate about the grams of the sugar and the salt. Yun lang, asin at saka asukal. There's another one, it's called wet method. Yun naman, asukal, asin, at saka some sort of brine. Brine, it means just water lang yan. Nakababad sa tubig for 1 week. But I did something different. Instead of brine, instead of tubig, ang ginamit ko ay whiskey. So that means nakababad yung bacon dun sa whiskey for 1 week. Hinati ko sa dalawa yung bacon slab or yung belly slab na binili ko. Hinati ko. The other one is dry method. The other one is wet method. At yun ang titikman natin today. Lulutuin natin today yan. Tapos titikman natin kung ano ang lasa at anong difference nung dry method at ang whiskey wet method of curing bacon. I'm very excited kasi this is the first time I've tried doing something like this. Eksperimentohin natin, tignan natin kung anong kalalabasan. Okay, so ito yung dry cured bacon, this one. Nagko-cure ito for 1 week. This is also curing for 1 week, but yung liquid inside is whiskey instead of brine.
Bakit whiskey ang pinili mo kung instead mo? Bakit hindi gin o...
Kasi yun yung meron ako sa bahay. Ayan. At saka, ginagawa talagang method yun. Bourbon.
Ano yung hope mo na... Ano yung theory mo mangyayari sa experiment mo?
Magiging mas complicated yung lasa. Ayan. So, this is a slab of bacon. Medyo na-deform lang kasi bilog yung lalagyan natin. Whiskey. This liquid is whiskey. Ayan. Medyo matamis-tamis yung amoy niya. I don't know kung gaano ka daming whiskey or alcohol yung nag-sip in through the meat. But mukhang mas malambot eh. Okay, paano natin lulutuin to? Ano lang, basic lang. Hihiwain ko ng strips like actual bacon. Tapos, ipa-fry natin dun sa grill. Yan, look at that. Kita? This is wet curing with whiskey. Dry curing with just sugar and salt. Meron din itong sugar and salt, pero binabad ko sa whiskey. Okay, game. Ang dull ng knife. Ang dull ng knife, palitan natin. I'm using this balisong. Kaka-sharpen ko lang nito kahapon. Kaya lang, mabilis mawala yung edge. Mabilis mag-dull. Yan, this is our first slab. This is the dry cured bacon. Next, this is the wet cured bacon slab with whiskey. So this is about 1/2 inch of thickness. Dalawang klase ng bacon. This is dry cured, this is wet cured using whiskey. Let's go. Hindi ko na-research kung ilang minutes dapat niluluto ang bacon. But usually kasi, di ba pag nagpiprito ka ng bacon, you just fry it. Tapos hanggang maging golden brown na. But that's yun yung mga commercial kinds of bacon na nabibili sa grocery. Maninipis sila. Yung ganito kakapal na bacon, ganito yung mga nasa fancy restaurant, makapal yung hiwa. I don't know kung gaano katagal dapat niluluto ang mga ganito kakapal na bacon. But, I guess, tansyahin na lang natin, ano. Pag nakita natin na medyo golden brown na yung surface mismo ng bacon, yun na, I guess, yun na. Medyo nagiging golden brown na ang kulay niya. But I don't think this is enough. Gusto ko talaga lutong-luto. Baliktarin natin. So by the way guys, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for doing that. Alright, eto na. So luto na yung bacon, yung home-cured bacon na ginawa ko for the past week. It's been curing for the past week in my fridge. Tikman natin kung anong pinagkaiba ng lasa. Let's try it. Sa totoo lang, I don't know what to expect. I know the taste of store-bought bacon. Alat-alat na, manamis-namis, lalo na kung honey-cured and smoked. Hindi ko alam kung anong i-expect ko dito, sa totoo lang. It kinda looks like a normal, parang liempo. Hindi ko alam kung maglalasang bacon nga talaga to or what. But, let's see. Let's try to taste it and let's try to describe the taste. Yun naman ang purpose nitong episode na to, is to see if we can actually make bacon at home and make it actually taste like store-bought bacon. Let's try it. This one, first natin titikman is the dry aged bacon. Medyo maalat siya. I think naparami yata yung asin, but it doesn't taste like bacon. Parang kulang sa tamis. Now, let's try to taste the other one, which is the whiskey-soaked cured bacon. Tikman natin. Let's go. Mas may complicated taste siya. I can actually sense the essence of whiskey. And feeling ko yung alcohol hindi masyadong nag-disappear. I don't know kung makakain ito ng mga bata. Baka hindi pwede. Kasi although it's been soaking for 1 week, I think nandun pa rin talaga yung alcohol content na nag-sip in dun sa meat mismo. Let's try to ask the other people here kung ano ang tingin nila. Pero pasok muna tayo kasi umuulan. Yeah, dito tayo sa may bubong. Michael, ikaw gusto mo tikman? Gusto mo tikman?
Ito muna tayo sa normal. Normal cured bacon.
Parang liempo lang eh.
Oh. Masarap pero parang regular liempo.
Oo. I don't think naglasa siyang bacon at all.
Mas lasa siyang lempo.
Parang liempo lang na normal.
Ito naman yung whiskey cured.
Whiskey cured. Wet cured. Pero whiskey ang ginamit instead of brine.
Whiskey cured.
Lasang whiskey ba?
Oo, merong ano,
May
May la-
alam.
may lasang kakaiba. Yung lasang whiskey nga, mararamdaman mo agad, unang kagat mo pa lang,
Oo.
malalasahan mo na kagad yung ano niya. Pagka whiskey. Mas preferred ko tong whiskey kasi kakaiba yung lasa. Mas social yung lasa nito.
Actually, hindi ko nagustuhan. Feeling ko there's something wrong with it. Parang may mali or nagulat lang siguro yung brain ko.
Baka
Hindi
kasi
ko in-expect.
unang kagat mo pa lang parang meron na kagad na nag-ano sa mouth mo eh.
No.
Mas gusto ko to kasi nga kakaiba yung lasa nito. Mas social yung lasa nito. Tsaka ito, since lasang liempo siya, so parang feeling mo okay siya sa kanin.
No.
Ito kasi parang mas pulutan type siya eh.
Pulutan. No.
Mas pulutan type siya.
No.
Hindi mo na kailangan ng kanin dyan.
Okay, thank you, Mike. Gusto ba mag-on cam lang nakaubad?
Okay lang ba yan?
Ay, okay lang naman. O yan, eto. This is the normal cured bacon whiskey. Unahin mo yung normal.
Parang inihaw na baboy
Parang
lang.
inihaw na liempo lang.
Yung liempo lang. Parang
Hindi na-
nabibili mo sa ano eh.
Sa Baliwan,
Sa-
sa Andox.
Sa food court.
Food court. Hindi naglasang bacon at all.
Hindi lasang
So, fail ako on that
May asukal ba naman?
account. May asukal, may asin, pero hindi enough yung asukal, I think, para maglasang bacon.
Kasi
Diba?
bakit 1 week? Saan mo nakuha yung 1 week?
Sa YouTube. Okay, the other one,
Whiskey.
whiskey soup.
Mas malambot. Yun, may flavor ng ano,
No.
alcohol. Alam mong may alcohol.
Nawiwirdohan ako sa lasa. Parang may mali.
Alam mo nga may alcohol. Hindi, pero kasi, baka ang iniisip mo sa bacon is kung ano yung bacon na nabibili mo sa
Oh, yun na nga.
supermarket. Kumbaga, kaya tayo nag-test lang. Ang sukatan mo dun is ano yung lasa ng bacon
Oo.
sa supermarket.
Para ma-replicate yung what
Oo,
you know of
ang,
the
ang
taste.
tanong is yun ba talaga yung
No.
yung recipe mo, yun ba talaga yung replicate mo? Pwedeng bacon pa rin talaga siya,
Oo.
technically. Pero, iba-iba kasi yung lasa ng bacon.
No.
Hindi siya iba dun sa inihaw na baboy, inihaw na liempo.
So, fail on that account. Okay.
So,
Very good.
Walang difference dun.
O yun, okay. So, iluluto ko na yung the rest of the normal bacon. Etong whiskey bacon, di ko pa alam kung anong gagawin ko.
Yung flavor ng alcohol.
Oo. Feeling ko, what I will try to do is cure it one more week. Hindi ko muna lulutuin itong whiskey flavored bacon. But dadagdagan ko ng asukal para I think I wanna try to at least add more sweetness to it para makuha talaga yung totoong lasa ng bacon. Okay, anyway, so I'll cook the rest of it, the rest of the normal bacon na magmumukhang liempo na lang today. Okay, so yun, there you have it. I would say that that experiment is half fail, half success. Half fail because hindi ko talaga nakuha yung ina-achieve ko na lasa ng bacon. It turned out to be like a normal liempo lang, grilled liempo. Yun yung dry cured. But the other one, yung whiskey soaked, whiskey cured bacon, naglasa siyang whiskey. Nag-incorporate talaga yung whiskey, of course, dun sa meat itself. So, I'm pretty happy about it, but not so much. Because nawiwirdohan ako sa lasa. But overall, this has been a very good experiment kasi at least nasubukan na natin kung paano gumawa ng cured bacon using the dry method and the wet method using whiskey. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.